Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's NET. If you know, you know. Come on, bro, sell me. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? Trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And today, you know what I'm saying, we on the pair Gbpjpy, man. And today, we not just going for this high. I just want to see if we can target this high, how much it'll be. All right, 60. All right, you know what I'm saying? Well, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video today. And stupid but yeah, man, we just on the charts, bro. Trying to catch a nice little setup today. Now right here we have a demand setup, a possible demand setup. Hopefully everything play out. You know what I'm saying? If not, it is what it is. Simple as that, bro. So, like I said, we just gonna sit here, see what happens. And hey, man, hey, just gonna see what happens. And this shit, it did. I don't know. Now my stop loss, well, my mental stop loss is right below this candle right here. So we just gonna let it rock, bro. I'm gonna just let it rock out and just shit, just hey. Just gonna let it rock out, bro. Shit. I mean, hey, if I took the I'm in the trade now, so you know I've been waiting on this to hit this zone for a little minute. It seemed like it had a reaction to the zone, so you know I looked at it, was like, all right, boom, and then we in. So you know there's other confluences as well. You know, for one, you know what I'm saying that we're above the SMA, so hey, SMA, you know we moving up, we moving up. So you know what I'm saying I was like, all right, boom, cause I originally was low key waiting for this zone right here, but I was like, all right, nah, I ain't gonna lie, I might low key get broken through just to come through and try to tap this zone right here. So, I mean, hey, that's what we hoping for. That's what we hoping for right there, man. I'm not looking for the biggest move. I'm just looking for, you know what I'm saying, something nice. You know what I'm saying? Maybe $50 out of this trade. That'd be nice to me. You know what I'm saying? No water once again. It's crazy. But yeah, man, we just gonna let this trade rock, bro. So I just want to say thank y'all for all the support in the videos. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that been subscribing, uh, supporting the channel, you know, all that. So, hey, shout out to y'all, bro. I'm gonna keep trying to get y'all more content, and yeah, I mean, shit. Hey, man, we just gonna try to go crazy. That's all. That's all it really is, bro. We just gonna try to go crazy and try to get wins. That's I'm just trying to be profitable, bro. That's the goal of this shit. You know, I'm trying to all be profitable at the end of the motherfucking day. This motherfuckers, we've been trying to be profitable, motherfucker. You feel me? But yeah, man. Like I said, you know what I'm saying. If y'all don't know, I'm starting this series because I really want to buy some crack. You know what I'm saying? I need that. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the bills, fuck the phone bills, fuck the Trader View bill. I need the crack, bro. Real shit. So, I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I'm telling y'all right now though. If we do happen to break above this entry or like break even a little bit above like my little entry line, the green line, uh my new mental stop loss will be right below here. Cause if we break above and like get to around like this area right here, after seeing this candle push down at the beginning and then it break below, I'm gonna just have to slide. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to get a clean cha-cha slide out this trade, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cause I'm not. Today is Friday, so it is Friday. I don't even know if I said that shit, cause I ain't gonna lie. You probably might be able to tell it's Friday if you look at the bottom right, but me personally, if I'm watching somebody else's video, I'm not looking at that shit. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Like, bro, I feel like it's your job to tell me, yo, bro, it's Friday. I'm trading on a Friday, cause I don't know when the fuck you recorded this video. You feel me? So, yeah, we just finna, you know what I'm saying? Let it. Hey, we just finna eat. Stupid ass. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck wrong with me. But yeah, man, if y'all ain't joined the Discord, man, make sure to go join that Discord, bro. It's free Discord. We got beginner traders, intermediate. What the fuck is intermediate? Intermediate is like, oh, GJ. Hey, calm down. It's all good. Just keep going. You know what I'm saying? Oh, DJ. Hold on, DJ. But yeah, I'm saying, we got intermediate traders, beginner traders, master traders, funded traders, crackhead traders. You feel me? And yeah, man, it's a cool, like, I try to keep it like cool, non-toxic, cause I know it's a lot of community discords. What the fuck am I talking about? It's a lot of discords out there that's low key toxic and just like not organized at all. Like they let people do whatever they want, say whatever they want. And I ain't really trying to have that community. Like I'm trying to I'm not a strict person. Like just be cool, bro. Like as long as you cool and don't be doing like weird shit, like we gon' get along, bro. Like real shit, we gon' get along. We cool. Like I'm a cool person. I like to have fun. I'm the most unserious person on this motherfucker. Like real shit. If you look at a lot of other forex traders and shit, they'll probably be like, yeah, nah. They'll look at me. Oh hell no. Do not watch that guy. Nah, bro. Shit. I ain't gonna lie. They gonna look at me. Oh, he curses too much. Too much cursing. He's laughing, cracking jokes. I could never. Shit, hey, fuck it. Hey, I'm just not a serious person, bro. I'm not finna come up on here. Yeah, guys, so, as of right now, we're up 20 pips. I'm not doing that shit. Just keep it a buck with you, bro. That's not me. Like, y'all see my intro, bro. I just, look, it's just funny as hell how, like, look, I know everybody take it serious, and I don't got a problem with it. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, bashing nobody for taking it serious. But me, the type of person I am, I like having fun with this shit. You know what I'm saying? I like enjoying the shit. You know, I like to mess with people. You know what I'm saying? So that's really just what I do. And I like imitating people. You know, just having fun type shit. So yeah, I just come on the charts, bro. Act like a crackhead and see what's up, bro. Act like a crackhead, no cap. I ain't gonna come up here and lie to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Make it seem like I'm the most strictest person or you know what I'm saying, all that. I'm not doing that, bro. But yeah, GJ is low key melting right now. We was up like a good amount of profit too. But yeah, GJ was it'd be nice if we could push back up though, no kizzy. But yeah, I just try to come up on this motherfucker and just have some fun, bro. Have some fun, give y'all some knowledge, and try to win, bro. Real shit. That's really all it is. Like I want to entertain, but at the same time, I want to be able to be good at what I'm doing and not just focus on strictly entertainment. You know what I'm saying? So motivational metro. Yeah, that's. But yeah, no, real talk though. That's real. That's real spill. But I ain't gonna lie. What I want to see what this candle is though, I want to see it like really push up and break above this. I don't want to see it push up to like right here and then push down. I really don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. The market's like, well, if you don't want to see it, look the other way. No, 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 no. I don't want to see that, bro. But yeah, man, today's Friday though. Trying to end this week off on the dub. It'd be nice, you know what I'm saying. It'll be a nice way to end off the week. You feel me? So, hey, GJ, you know what I'm saying? DJ, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me. Saying GJ can't dap me up right now, but honestly, GJ can dap me up if it's simply just hit TP. But yeah, I'm telling y'all right now though, my new mental stop loss is this right here. Since we got this super aggressive push right here, I don't like playing around with my setups. If we break below down here again, or break below this candle that we at right now, I'm out of there, bro. I'm like I don't like playing with my setups too much. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can continue to the other side. You know what I'm saying? GJ, hold on. Hey, y'all like the video while I'm doing this? I'm trying to. Ooh. Come on. Do I gotta keep my hands in the air? You just want me to hold my hands in there, or you? Oh shit. Yep. We might be getting out early. No cap. If you wanna play like this, if you wanna play like that, I mean, type of trade, no kizzy.